my channel, Rolling Through Life with TaLisha. If this is your first time, welcome. If not, welcome back. I know I look crazy, y'all, but there's a method to the madness. As you all know, we've all been on punishment. Quarantine. We haven't been able to go out and do our normal daily activities, if this was not the circumstances. So I need my hair done, y'all. I really do. And not gonna lie, I really miss my hairdresser. But unfortunately, this cannot wait any longer. I need my hair washed and done. So today, hi Naomi, my husband Quentin and I, more so him, he's going to be actually washing my hair, doing my hair, and we are going to see how it turns out. I'm super nervous, but I have faith in him. So drop a comment down below letting us know on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you guys think it'll turn out? It's something different, but when we have to turn to different measures. But to my hairdresser, if you are watching this, I miss you so much. And I can't wait till we reunite again. So hopefully Quentin makes you proud. We're going to try our best, and I will see you guys soon. We are in the kitchen. I normally wash my hair in the kitchen because it's easier for me to get my hair washed. At this sink, it's a little bit more accessible. So what I usually do is get up on the counter to make it more easier for the person washing my hair, which is normally my mom or my hairdresser. They can just stand up and wash my hair. So that's what we're about to do. I'm going to start the washing process. And after that, I'll get up and we'll see how this goes.
Gotta unwrap your hair. A little tight. I'm just gonna take it out gently. Okay. How you feeling?
Pretty good.
That's good.
How you feeling?
Well, ready to take this on, you can say. Alright.
Are you excited?
I'm ready.
Okay. That's it.
Nice and easy, nice and easy. Okay. You good?
That's my arms. Thank you.
Alright, is everything good?
Yeah.
Okay. The deep conditioner?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, here you go. How it looks like. My Baba Sue Mint deep conditioner. Fluff it throughout here. Basically, I'm just dipping my hand in it, or my fingers in this case, just running it throughout. Now I'm trying to one of the ends. Trying to get the back now.
condition, well, deep condition. So now we are going to go for a wash and go. I have my products here that we will be using, and I will talk you through the process of it all as he's doing it. We're gonna try our best to get like angles from the back of my hair. It's gonna be kind of awkward because, you know, I'm not able to hold the camera behind my head, but we'll do our best. Thank you guys so much. I want to know how you think he did with the washing. So leave those comments down below, and we are about to start the process of styling.
This?
You can show them what you're putting in.
Well, I'll be putting in Hawaiian ginger leave-in.
And we're gonna use generous amounts.
Yeah. That'll be real good. Oops, all the way up. So in this case, it doesn't really get in the way. Now let's first try to finger comb it, right? Before I... Alright. Yummy. Quiet down, will ya? Oh, looks like she heard some from out there. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
This is the Babasu Brazilian curly cocktail curl mousse. Styling gel. This is professional styling gel use. This is argan oil base.
Actually, no, don't brush it. Just finger.
Finger it. Got it. No problem.
And just stick it downward.
This?
Are the curls defined?
Yes, they are. They are definitely defined.
Okay.
want more hair on this side?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
And bring it to the front a little bit.
This part?
Yeah, this side.
This part?
Mm-hmm.
This?
No, not that. Like the top part, bring it to the front.
This part?
Yeah, bring it forward a little bit.
Oh, I'm just being careful right now.
Not that top part, just...
Part. Okay, how's that?
Guys, this is the end result. I think it came out pretty good. I thought it was going to come out a lot worse, but it came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments. So let me just get someone. I just want to say thank you for doing my hair. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Guys, I think you did a good job.
Hey, first time.
So, did you have fun doing it?
I did actually. Yes, I did have fun. It was fun.
So if you guys want to see more hair videos of hubby doing my hair, maybe he wants to try some other things like twists.
Sure. I don't mind doing
and
twists.
other styles. Comment down below if that's something that you would want to see.
And for those of you who would like to leave a comment of how I did, you are very welcome to.
Mm-hmm.
And
also, he's taking appointments. I just wait after the quarantine is over. Feel free to book up. No, I'm just kidding. That's definitely a joke. I think he did a good job. So have your husbands, your boyfriends, your partners watch this video to take notes. And maybe they will do your hair as well. And also, like I said, if your partner has done your hair, I want to know about it. Let me know. What style was it? How was it? Did you have to talk him through it? And how did it come out? But thank you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for good vibes. And I thank you so much. Until next time.